In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a private Slack channel public step by step using the latest Slack interface in 2026. This is something many teams need to do when a private discussion becomes relevant to a wider group, or when you want more visibility and collaboration across your workspace. If you've ever created a private channel and later realized it should be open to everyone, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video if it helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, up-to-date software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and inside the workspace where the private channel exists. On the left sidebar, navigate to the private channel you want to make public. This will usually be under your channels list, and private channels are marked with a lock icon, so they're easy to identify. Click on the private channel to open it, and make sure you're an admin or have the required permissions, because only certain roles are allowed to change a channel's visibility. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click directly on the channel name. This opens the Channel Details panel, where you can see information about the channel, its members, and its settings. After clicking the channel name, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This is where Slack lets you manage how the channel behaves, who can join, and whether it stays private or becomes public. Inside the Settings section, scroll down until you see the option that says Change to a Public Channel. Slack clearly labels this option so you know exactly what action you're about to take. Keep in mind that once a private channel becomes public, anyone in your workspace will be able to find it and view its message history, so it's a good idea to double-check that there's no sensitive information inside before continuing. When you're ready, click on Change to a Public Channel. Slack will then show you a confirmation prompt explaining what this change means. Take a moment to read through the message so you understand the impact. If everything looks good, click on the final button that says Change to Public. After confirming, Slack will instantly update the channel status. The lock icon will disappear, and the channel will now be visible to everyone in your workspace. At this point, other members can discover the channel, read past messages, and join it without needing an invitation. That's all there is to it. You've successfully converted a private Slack channel into a public one. This is a great way to improve transparency, collaboration, and communication across your team. If this tutorial saved you time or solved your problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.